Someone in the comments mentioned the globals function, so today I'm taking that idea and showing you how both globals and locals function really work, in the simplest way possible. Let's jump in. First, I'll create a variable a and give it value 1. Then I will create a function and name it f, and this function is going to have just one parameter x, and it will have one variable b, and I'll give it value 2. As you already know, every variable is global in Python except the ones created in a function. So this a is global variable, this x and b are local. So if I print locals, this will print me x and b and their values. But if I print globals, you expect to see a, but these globals will get all the global variables from this script. And as you already know, I have some special attributes hidden that are built in every Python script. So this will also print every single one of them. So that's why I will put star here and put separation to be end line. And now when I run this function, let's give x value 3, you will see what will be printed. As you can see, x and b are printed and they are local variables. And these special attributes like name, doc, package, loader, spec, annotation, etc., a and f are also global variables. A is a variable and f is a function. But let me show you something interesting. For example, if I want to use locals to change the value of b, you could write something like this: locals, then write the parentheses, and then the square parentheses, and here pass what variable you want to change. Let's say I want to change b to have value -2. I can do the same with globals. And I'll give it value -1. Let's print here a, and here let's print b. Also, with globals, you can even create a new variable dynamically, although I don't recommend it, but you can. As you will see shortly why. Globals. And now everything looks good, but if I write here c equals, as you can see, PyCharm doesn't recognize this c, but it actually exists. The conundrum here is locals doesn't guarantee that this b will be changed. It may be changed or it may not be changed. Very often, in 99% cases, it won't be changed, but it's not guaranteed. It may be changed. So when I run this f, let's remove this x, it's not needed anymore, you will see that b will stay the same, 2, and a and c will have these minus values. I put the same values but negative, so you can see the difference. As you can see, even though the C was red in PyCharm, it didn't show an error. It actually worked. As you can see, A changed, but as I have told you, B didn't change. It remained 2. So with locals, you can't change the variable values, but with globals, you can. You can even create new variables, even though I don't recommend that. If you like this video, but you want to learn more about local and global variables in Python, I have a video prepared for you. It's on the screen now, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you don't miss my future videos.